just a roller coaster. You can ride it when you're older. Take it off those pretty buildings in the north and down to Main Street.
Today, on behalf of my family, our partner David Thompson, and our entire organization, I am excited beyond words to announce our purchase of the Atlanta Thrashers.
Growing up in Winnipeg and having an NHL team here, it was hard not to be a hockey fan.
Some people may say, well, they didn't win much.
A lot of people here, I think, took the Jets for granted in those years.
We had a sort of a goodbye to the Jets at the Winnipeg Arena. And when it was over, you could hear a pin drop. It was like a funeral. A very close member of the family had been lost.
You let that spirit's energy flow all over the ground, the blood of our town.
The Jets were his life, his whole life. I used to say, I'm going to pray really hard. If we can't have that team, we'll have another one.
I remember how I felt when the team left, how devastating that was, and then it just didn't seem right to just abandon it.
We dealt with losing them. We can sure as hell deal with trying to get them back and failing.
Enjoy our frozen cityscape.
When you love somebody or love something, it's not all a bed of roses all the time. And to me, that really tells the story of the Winnipeg Jets.
Enjoy